So today we are going to continue with the topic newspaper report, events and functions. We have already discussed the two of them. I want to repeat some of the major points which you should be keeping in your mind while writing the reports, reports. First thing, if the name is given, for example, here the name is given of the reporter, then you have to use the name Amit Sai. Otherwise, please use staff reporter and the newspaper name if it is given. If it is not given, kindly use staff reporter and write down your report. Second, and the very important thing is that your title of the report should be the short one and the crispy one. It should speak in itself that, okay, this report is this about this particular topic. The next very important thing is the place of the reporting, where you are at now and where are you reporting from. That particular place is very important, date is very important, and time is absolutely important. The important one more factor which is you have to keep in your mind is you have to organize your report in the manner which is given. Now, the manner in which the report is asked from you, you have to write your report according to that particular manner. But if the paragraphs such as, if we take the reports, if the, for example, in this report, paragraph 1 and 2 and 3 has been given, but you are writing reports in the 4th paragraph or say the 5 paragraphs, then heavens are not going to fall on you. You can write it and there is no problem in it. Your sentences should be the short one and a proper one. Grammatically, they should be correct, and then you can write the report in a very workable manner. Your report writing should be very up to the mark. Up to the mark in the sense that your sentence formation should be the proper one. Okay, while writing the report, do not worry about the thoughts of other people. Like, for example, I have told you prior also, and I'm repeating it right now, that whatever I have written here in this news reporting section, these are my thoughts. Okay, so your thoughts are definitely going to be the different one. Okay, they are not going to be the same one. So you don't have to copy paste the report. You can write on your own and you can write in your own language. Do not copy and paste whatever I am providing you. This is just an example for you. Okay. So do not worry about anything. We are going to write, I think we have done this this section, Hemant Gilani, a newspaper reporter of the Hindu. Have we done it? Can anyone, if we have done it, then raise your hand. If we have done it, then raise your hand. Let me see. Okay, that's Vijay. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much for your response. We have done it. So I'm going to move forward and which says, suppose you are Hema Sharma. Now my name has been given in this report, which is Hema Sharma, the staff reporter of the Tribune. The paper name has been given, the Tribune. You have just covered an event to bring about the awareness on the issue of the girl child education program. Write a report in not more than 200 words. I have talked about the word limitation in any article, report or speech. So you have to keep that in your mind while writing the report as well. So organize your report. Paragraph 1, they are wanting you to describe the kind of the event, where and when it took place and the occasion. Paragraph 2, detail of the various activities carried out and the participants. Paragraph 3, response of the participants. Okay, so we are going to start this report, Girl Child Education Program by Hema Sharma, staff reporter, the Tribune. Okay, when the name has been provided, then kindly use the name. You don't have to write the staff reporter as well. That is why I took a pause over here. You don't have to write the staff reporter by Hema Sharma, the Tribune. That's it. Okay, Bikaner, 8 November 2021, there was a seminar organized by the local trust named Beti Bachao Beti Padhao at Gandhi Park. Various well-known personalities, which include educators, reporters, politicians, emphasize on this mission. Now, first thing, local trust. You can name any trust or any organization here who is conducting the seminar. I have just written the local trust. You can use any name, right? Second thing, I have written the Gandhi Park. You can name any other venue. It could be Lalgarh Hotel, it could be any bigger park or a bigger seminar hall or any other thing. Okay, so see, I have told you many times and I'm repeating myself. These are my thoughts. Your thoughts are definitely going to be the different from on this topic, on this particular topic. And you can pen down your own thoughts, but keep in mind to make the small sentences so that your grammatically sentences are correct. Okay, so this is just a base. Okay, and we are going to start various well-known personalities such includes educators. Now who are the educators? Basically teachers. Now teachers include professors, lecturers, everyone. So we are known as educators. Reporters, politician, emphasize on this mission, emphasize, जोर देना, किसी बात पर जोर देना. Education is the need of each person. It is need of everybody, but the girls are for the most without it. अगर हम अपने गाँव को देखें जो कि इंडिया का बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है, तो हम ये पाएंगे कि गर्ल्स की एजुकेशन पे इतना एम्फसाइज नहीं करते, इतना जोर नहीं देते. तो जो वहां पर लोग थे उन्होंने सबसे ज्यादा इस बात पे जोर दिया कि उनको गर्ल एजुकेशन के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा एम्फसाइज करने की आवश्यकता है. द पोस्टर ड्राइंग कॉम्पिटिशन वाज कंडक्टेड बाय दिस ट्रस्ट वेयर द यूथ कैन पेन डाउन देयर व्यूज on it. Pen down their views on it means to write down their views on it. Pen down is a phrase. The students of various schools and colleges made an impressive posters on the topic. The girls were dressed up as various goddess to show the importance of feminism. What is feminism? Feminism का मतलब है female set related issues, topics. The most emphasis was laid upon the important point was to educate the girls to create the balance in the society. So सबसे ज्यादा जो emphasis था, जो जोर दिया जा रहा था, वो इसी बात पे दिया जा रहा था कि girls को educate करना चाहिए. Many orators and the media personalities talked about empowering our daughters so that we can empower the community. And which means empowering the nation. अगर आप अपनी कम्युनिटी को स्ट्रांग बनाना चाहते हैं, अपने ग्रुप को स्ट्रांग बनाना चाहते हैं, तो आपको गर्ल्स एजुकेशन पर ध्यान देना ही पड़ेगा. और अगर कम्युनिटी स्ट्रांग होगी तो कम्युनिटी बेसिकली किसको स्ट्रांग बनाएगी? नेशन को स्ट्रांग बनाएगी. तो अगर आप अपनी कम्युनिटी को स्ट्रांग बनाना चाहते हैं तो गर्ल एजुकेशन पे जोर देगा, तो फाइनली यू आर मेकिंग आवर नेशन स्ट्रांग. An educated girl can share the load of the men in different fields. Education helps a girl to become economically independent while she knows her right, which helps her to fight against the problem of gender equality and improvement of a nation depends on girls learning. So जो अगर आप गर्ल्स को एजुकेट करते हैं, गर्ल्स को ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं उनकी पढ़ाई पे, तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली lay emphasis on the girl education, है ना. गर्ल जेंडर इक्वालिटी की बात आप कर रहे हैं. जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं लाइफ में या हमारे नेशन में, तो girls can also contribute into the solution of the problems. So girl education should be encouraged. So girl education should be definitely encouraged. Okay, so this was all about this particular topic. And now I am moving on to the previous topic, which says you are Hemant Gilani, a newspaper reporter of the Hindu. You were going to cover the visit of the governor of your state when you witnessed an accident involving an old man on a bicycle and a car driver. Now write a report on the accident in about 200 words. Now they want to organize a report. In paragraph 1, describe the kind of the accident briefly, mention its day, date and time. देखो यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है मेंशन इट्स डे डेट एंड टाइम, सो आपको सारी चीजें लिखनी पड़ेंगी. पीपल and the vehicles involved. Paragraph 2 describe the cause of or accident, details of injuries, death and relief. Second paragraph में accident कैसे हुआ, कितनी injuries हुई, कितनी death हुई, उन सब के बारे में आपको लिखना है. Paragraph 3 में comment on the rising of such accidents in the city. आप अपने views रखेंगे थर्ड पैराग्राफ में कि इन एक्सीडेंट्स पे आपके क्या व्यूज हैं. नोट्स मतलब इन चीजों की हेल्प लेके आप अपनी रिपोर्ट लिखने वाले हैं. तो क्या हेल्प लेनी है आपको? एन ओल्ड मैन ऑन हिज वे टू फैक्ट्री ऑन बाइसाइकिल एंड अ यंग मैन ऑन हिज वे टू ऑफिस इन हिज बीएमडब्ल्यू कार. ओल्ड मैन और बीएमडब्ल्यू कार का एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, तो जो ओल्ड मैन है वो बाइसाइकिल पर है, यंग मैन जो है वो बीएमडब्ल्यू में है. बीएमडब्ल्यू इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ कार. ठीक है, आप सबको मालूम है कार्स के भी अलग अलग नाम है आजकल, जैसे मारुति है, ऑल्टो है, होंडा सिटी है, तो वैसे ही बीएमडब्ल्यू भी एक कार का नाम है. कार एट हाई स्पीड ran over the cyclist. Old man died on the spot. Taken to RML hospital. Declared brought dead. The car driver fled with the car. Police case registered. Okay. So road accident, one dead. By Hemant Gilani, reporter, Hindu. Bikaner on 8th November 2021, a dreadful accident happened today on 8 November at 8 p.m. Okay, so I have given the time 8 p.m. at Vyas Colony. Now, Vyas Colony, जरूरी नहीं है कि आप भी व्यास कॉलोनी लिखें, आप कोई और कॉलोनी भी यूज कर सकते हैं. In big place. Now, when I have written a big place, which means that I am giving a specific location of the particular place where the accident took place. Now, व्यास कॉलोनी अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी है, लेकिन अगर मेरे को उसका सेक्टर मेंशन करना है या फिर मुझे से मेंशन करना है कि कौन से वार्ड में हुआ या कौन सी गली में हुआ, so I can write down the specific address instead of writing big place. The accident occurred between an old man and who was returning home on his bicycle and a young man on his way to office in his BMW car. Car was at high speed and ran over the cyclist. Local people rushed to the spot and took the old man to the PBM where he was declared brought dead. Now the paragraph has been changed. I have written old man was referred to the PBM. Correction, यहाँ पर आपको PBM नहीं लिखना, आपके नोट्स में दिया हुआ है RML हॉस्पिटल. सो PBM की जगह आप RML हॉस्पिटल लिखेंगे. ठीक है, इस बात का बहुत ध्यान रखिएगा कि आपके नोट्स में जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है आपको वो ही यूज करनी है. Police came to the spot and controlled the situation. The car driver fled with the car. Now, इस सेंटेंस का मतलब क्या है? The car driver fled with the car. कार ड्राइवर अपनी कार को लेकर भाग गया. Fled means चला गया, भाग गया. Several eyewitnesses had noted the number of the car. With the help of the local people and police, registered the case against the car driver. Against the car driver. The road accidents are rising in our town at high rate. People are in such a hurry that they don't value the life. When people break the traffic rules, such as by jumping the red lights, driving faster than the speed limits, etc., they can get into the road accident. Now, आपने अगर notes में ध्यान दिया होगा, paragraph 3 में comment on the rising of such accidents in the city. तो यहाँ पर ये comment मांग रहे थे, किसका कमेंट? रिपोर्टर का कमेंट. अब आप कमेंट में आप अपने पर्सनल व्यूज को लिखेंगे. सो यहाँ से लेके ये जो पूरा पैराग्राफ है इसमें मैंने अपने पर्सनल व्यूज लिखे हैं. आप अपने पर्सनल व्यूज लिख सकते हैं. अगेन लेट मी रिपीट दिस टॉपिक इज नाउ ओवर. But I want to repeat this, although I have written the newspaper report so that you can understand the topic better, but you can write it in your own language. Having said that you can write it in your own language, I mean that you should be grammatically, the sentence formation should be grammatically correct. Okay, I'm not asking you to be the perfect in the grammar, but I want you to write the करेक्ट इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। अगर आप करेक्ट इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस का यूज नहीं करेंगे रिपोर्ट राइटिंग में तो नंबर मिलने की बजाय कटने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे। So it is very essential, very necessary to write short sentences and to keep in mind how to organize your report, what is being asked from you, and you have to write accordingly. Always keep the word limitation in the mind. I have discussed the word, how to calculate the word in a single line, and how to keep um, a word limitation in your reach, so that you are able to take properly the consideration of this particular word limit. And now you are definitely going to write these reports as per your views. So if you want to ask any day, you can right away ask me. Please raise your hand so that I can take up your questions. Okay, Satvik, you have something to ask?
No, ma'am, no doubt. But I was just wanting to inform you that this the newspaper was not completed by us yesterday.
Okay, fine. So we have done today. If you are having any doubts, Satvik is not having any doubt. Satvik, please put your hand down. Okay, thank you, Satvik. Any other thing, if you want to ask me, you can ask me right now. I don't think there is any doubt in it, so I will wind up the session for today. Okay, I'm going to wind up the session for today. If you are having any doubt, we can discuss it tomorrow as well. Okay, thank you.